Hello, hello. I am trying a Tillamook flavor today. I actually have opened this one, so I just wanted to review it though for the channel. They had a couple of seasonal flavors at Harris Teeter. This was one that sounded the best to me, Holiday Sugar Cookie. So it is cookie dough ice cream with cookie dough and sugar pieces. I think the other one was peppermint bark, and it had white chocolate chips, which I'm not a big fan of white chocolate. So that's why I chose this one. And there's so many peppermint ice creams for holidays, and I wanted to try something different. So I'm gonna give you my thoughts, even though I've tried this one before. Okay. The scent is really nice. It's subtle. It's similar to their cookie dough because this is the same. I get their chocolate chip cookie dough, and it's the same ice cream base. Interestingly enough, I'm pretty sure. I think it's cookie dough, and I think it may be the same as their. I don't know though, because it's a sugar cookie, but it tastes very similar. I will tell you that. It's just a nice cookie scent. So you can see the color of it is just a cream colored, light white color. There's no visible mix-ins when you dive into this. There are a couple of mix-ins, but they're very light colored as well. So sugar pieces and cookie dough, like it says in the description. The cookie dough is sugar cookie, which makes me think maybe this is actually a different flavored cookie dough ice cream than their chocolate chip cookie dough. But the cookie dough pieces are sugar cookie dough pieces, and then there's crystals. They are sugary crystals. So let's dive in, and I will share my thoughts with you. It's just such a pleasant scent. I really enjoy this ice cream. I enjoy the texture of the sugar crystals. It just adds something really good. And then the flavor of the ice cream, the cookie dough base, it's nice. It's different from a vanilla. It's not overpowering. It mixes really well with those sugar crystals. It does taste a lot like sugar cookie that you would get, sugar cookie dough, if you eat that right out of the tube. I definitely get notes of that. So, the dough itself, or the sugar cookie dough pieces, we're going to try one of those. Oh, I guess that was just a giant sugar crystal. So that actually was not cookie dough. I don't see any cookie dough. So this is one of my problems with this ice cream. The mix-ins are very sparse. Tillamook is notorious for this. There's just very few mix-ins. They have their typical cookie dough ice cream. I think they have improved. I think they actually have more cookie dough pieces than they used to. But this ice cream itself does not have very many mix-ins. You're not going to get a ton of the cookie dough pieces, especially. I'd say there's more of the sugar crystals than there are cookie dough pieces. And even then, they are somewhat sparse. So the sugar cookie dough is nice. I've had bites of it before. I'm not getting some now. It's really hard for me to find them. That's how few there are. Nothing in this ice cream is gonna blow you away as far as intensity of the flavor, but it works really well together. It's really pleasant ice cream. It's not too heavy. And I think the sugar cookie dough is different. We're not seeing this. I think I got one. It's just a little bit of a brown hint of color there. No, it's another sugar crystal. But I assure you, there are some cookie dough pieces in this. So I think this is a solid ice cream. Tillamook makes quality ice cream. It's different from a heavier fat content. It's creamier. What do I rate this ice cream? I'm going to go 6 out of 10. Maybe you could even go higher. My scale is relative, so, you know, your 6 might be my 7, but I give it a 6 out of 10. I think it's above average. I think there needs to be more mix-ins. I think this is a more boring flavor, but it is different if you're looking for something seasonal. You don't see, I've never seen a sugar cookie ice cream. So I would recommend trying it if you like maybe lighter ice creams. But try it. Let me know what you think.